Okay, now let's make a couple of floral patterns. They'll be nice to repeat too if that's something you'd be interested in. I'm going to have my shape tools up again. This time I'm going to go right with the elliptical. And that's going to be used to make this flower and this flower. All right, so I'll start off with making one petal. Okay, now after I make that petal, I need to bring these to points. So how do I do that? I'm going to go to my Convert Anchor tool. In this case, I selected the pen tool and the Option key. To establish this floral pattern right here, I need to lower the opacity of the color. Make sure I have it selected, and I'll drop the opacity down to 30. Give it a pink. Okay. So now what I need to do is recreate these petals and also have them rotate. So tap the letter R for my rotation tool. This is going to help me identify where I want my axis point to be. So I'm going to hold the Option key, click, and right now it's set to go 45 degrees. That's not quite what I want. Let's say I want 17 of these petals to show up. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 17. The really important thing to do now is not hit OK, but you need to hit copy. Okay? You'll see that it makes one petal. That's okay. We're going to duplicate all those petals. Command D all the way through. There's my flower. It's that simple. Okay. Now to make this one, very similar techniques, just a little bit different. Back to my elliptical tool. This time I'm going to keep my color at 100%. Go to lighter orange. Oh. Okay, let's make our shape first. I get the elliptical tool, make my first shape. It's got it at 100%. We'll leave it at that color. I'm going to move this over a little bit. And you'll see that we have a point in the center. So I just need to go to my Convert Anchor and click that one. Right now, again, Command R. And actually, I'm going to do Command U just so I can get rid of my Smart Guides. Okay, so no more Smart Guides now. R and Option R, and this establishes my center point. And this time I'm only going to put 8 in there. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 8. That'll give me 8 rotations of it. Hit copy. One mistake I made there, you see that. That's really important to see this. I only copied that lower section of it, so I need to Command Z that. With my Move tool, I need to make sure I have the whole object selected. Now back to my R and establish my rotation. And again, I'm going to do 360 because that's your full circle. And I only want 8 to fit in that entire space. That establishes a rotation. Now this guy's selected. I'm duplicating it just like I did all these other guys. So Command D. Alright, so we're almost done. What I did next was select this entire batch, edit, copy, Shift, Command, paste, selected it, rotate it. I know that there's a different way to do it, but this works. Okay, and if I wanted to, I could lower my opacity on that top group. Okay, so there's 2 different floral designs.